Hi everybody,
Hello.
my name is Augustin, I have 12 and I love picking my pants safe. And because why I do it? Because my mother confiscated my phone and I want to speak with my friends and play. who who think I want to lockpick my pants safe? My brother say me I should have a drone to see the safe code, so you can front back. It's really good. And how I did do it? I started to look in my home if I have a little camera, and I used the camera of my mother because it's very small. Then look at how to place its opposite of the safe. I use a chair to simulate the size of my mother and position the camera over. I had to do 3 or 4 before to do fine position. How
You don't see this level of quality assurance in just any black
yeah.
bag job. This is great work.
I had to wait for my mother to open the safe. It's happened when my brother need this phone for an event. So I get the safe code from a video. I am a hacker. But thank you. Well, I am not a pickpocket itself.
Great. Yeah.